So how's everyone doing? I hope you all are enjoying the daily readings and tips which are coming, and those who have still missed out on joining the WhatsApp group can send the SMS to the team number which will be coming to be a part of daily readings which happen in the group along with tips and workshops and everything. So now, what is today's video about? Today's video is about the coming Shukla Purnima or the snow moon. Last time I had posted some full moon tips and I had given certain instructions, so many people liked it, so because of which I thought, okay, let's do one more. So we will be talking about the snow moon or the Shukla Purnima. Now the full moon date is from the 15th night to the 16th night, so technically 16th will be your full moon and not 15th, because 16th after 6 the moon which comes is at its peak, and that is the main energy. So 16th is where you will focus on for your full moon tips and rituals which I'll be asking you to do, or the snow moon tips and rituals which I'll be asking you to do. Now in WICCA, in snow moon, not only in snow moon, usually in all the full moons and the sabbats and the asbats, if the coven members are together, they all sit together under the moon, they do a bonfire, and then they do a lot of meditation and releasing happening. So if you are in the city where your coven is, then make it a point to go and meet them, get the blessings of your high priestess and work towards it. Or else what you can do is, now this is not only for people who are in WICCA, even for people who are not in WICCA, but who love following my full moon tips and rituals. On this snow moon, because snow moon is good for, very powerful for new beginnings, for changes in life, to come out of unwanted habits, and also for fresh beginnings, to start something good, and also if you want to set your goals and you want to move forward in your goals, then even for that it is good. So that's the reason again I should be bringing the road opener ritual also for my clients, the way I had brought in last time. Now coming back to the ritual, take a white candle, burn a normal white candle. Now this white candle can also be from a provision store nearby. Take a white candle, keep it. Take a white paper and a red pen. Write down certain things which have hurt you. Okay, write it down, release it. Now how will you write it down? You will say, dear universe, I have been hurt and been crying or not able to forgive this situation in my life, and today on this powerful snow moon, I release it, and I burn the paper, and I release these memories from my mind, from my emotions. It no longer serves me any purpose. It no longer is needed for me. Put a signature in the down. When you're burning it, intend that you're releasing it. Believe me, release happens. When release happens, a lot of good changes come in life. Your aura starts attracting positive energies. Your aura becomes brighter. Now when it came to release, I remember last full moon I had a release meditation. Again this full moon we will have an open meditation where people from various platforms can join. So it will be on the 16th of February evening at 8 p.m. So if you don't want to miss it, then again I would say be a part of the WhatsApp group also, because those members are privileged to first come to know when I go live, when I have my meditations, or when new products come. Even my YouTube videos are first shown to those members who are in the WhatsApp, and then it comes to everyone. So that's the reason I'm saying that. So we will do a meditation also. Now I have told you one way of writing a white paper and releasing it. That day make your moon water. Very simple. In a bowl or in a vessel, take water, normal running water. If you have the sea water, if you have the spring water, very well and good, but if not, take the water from your running tap, put 2 or 3 rose quartz crystals inside it, and keep it under the moon. Usually people keep it for the whole overnight. I don't believe in keeping it overnight, so I have written the timing and kept after 7, maybe by 7 p.m. keep it under the moon and keep it till 8:08 p.m. Pinky ji, what if we miss the timing? It is okay, but this is one timing which I follow at particular full moons, and it is very powerful. So that's the reason I'm telling you that thing. What do I do of this water? You can use it in your plants, you can use it in your mopping water, you can use it to make tea, to make you more powerful and energized. You can use it in your altar rituals, where you want to keep the element water for your rituals to become powerful, because it is moon water. You can use it in your bathing water also. So there are a lot of ways of using this. Especially try using it for your tea. You will see a lot of energy differences and a lot of, you know, body giving a lot of powerful changes. Try it and see. And also on the day of snow moon, evening around night, not even evening, night at 10 p.m. Keep your bay leaves ready before that. Whatever is your desire, like I am healthy in one bay leaf, I am prosperous in one bay leaf, I am happy and content, like that, whatever you want, right? And you burn those bay leaves. Now when you burn those bay leaves, what you should do is, if you have a cauldron, fine, or else take a small havan put a little bit of camphor. When you're burning these bay leaves, add a small pinch of dry mint. If you don't have dry mint, now you must be having pudina leaves at kitchen. Do microwave it and add little bit of pudina with it when you are burning these bay leaves. It will speeden the process and it will make your bay leaf more powerful. That's the reason I'm saying this ritual, which you can do again on that day, same at 10 p.m. Actually 10 p.m. is a very powerful time on the 16th of February to do any ritual at all. I would love to connect with my Hecate at that time on that day, so maybe the meditation will be beforehand. Take a pink candle. Again, you can take it from a provision store itself. You don't need to pick my candles, or you don't need to pick powerful, energized candles. Take a pink candle. Carve the name of you and your life partner. Maybe you can say X in the middle heart, because it's a Valentine week. So X in the middle heart and Y. Okay, and then what you can do is apply rose oil and burn it. And burn that. Now, if you're married, then you will burn that. If you're not married, you will say, I love myself. And you will burn it so that you love yourself the most. And when you love yourself the most, you will automatically attract the love from all the world. Because I always believe that, when I love myself, the whole world loves me. Okay, now coming back, as I said, we will be having a meditation where release will be happening on that day. Okay, that day, evening at 6:36, work on charging your crystals under the full moon. Work on charging your tarot cards, your altar cloths, whatever you want to do. Work on that on the full moon at 6:36 p.m. I'm giving you all these timings because of a reason. They have their own powerful energies. That's the reason I'm giving you these timings. And before that, in the evening after 6, if possible, by 6:06 p.m., 6:06 p.m. Before that itself, keep a ghee lamp ready. Okay, and keep some sweet ready with you. If not sweet, then I'm planning to make Kana Prasad. I don't know how many of you all know what a Kana Prasad is. So you can make a Kana Prasad that day, or else just buy some sweet also from the market and keep it. Here Shri Suktam. I have always said continuous hearing of Shri Suktam will bring in financial abundance and a lot of positive energies around you. So here Shri Suktam on that day at 6:06, and at 6:36 charge your crystals, charge your tarot cards and everything under the moon. If you have an open terrace, hear the Shri Suktam there, light a small Havan Kund and sit there and do it under the blessings of the moon. The energies will be very, very different. Okay, at night 10 p.m. is a very, very powerful timing on that particular full moon. I'm not talking about every full moon. On that particular full moon, it's a very powerful timing. You can burn any candle, you can do any ritual, and that ritual will manifest very fast. So if you want for money, burn a green candle or burn a lamp, praying to God that money comes to you. Relationship, you can do whatever you want to do. At 10, keep your things ready before that. I keep on telling this again and again, because people think by 10 we should start making. No, make it ready before that, and then you start the ritual on dot 10 p.m. Okay, that day afternoon alone at 1:11 p.m. that is on the 16th February afternoon at 1:11 p.m. take a yellow candle and burn it, and intent, if possible use a red candle, because I use red figurine on that day for me and even for the clients who want it, that you become powerful as a sun. You are bright and energetic and shining as the sun. Afternoon at 1:11 p.m. Now if you have office, if you're working, and if you might miss, then do it at night 10 p.m. But you will say that you become feminine, powerful, energetic like the moon. Okay, and evening at 5:55 is a very powerful timing if you want to remove negative energies in your home, in your life. If you want to remove negative energies from you, then I would suggest use a black figurine. If it is not on you, you want a general negative removal from the house, that all the unwanted energies, unwanted things go from your house, then a normal black candle you can burn. If you have a rosemary oil, apply the rosemary oil. If you don't have rosemary oil, it is perfectly okay. You can use rosemary herb, which you get in all the pizza confectionery selling shops nowadays. You get this rosemary. So apply a little bit of olive oil on the candle and sprinkle the dry rosemary and burn it, so that the negativity gets going. So try these simple things, and do comment on the video whether you like it, you want such more videos to come, so that I can keep bringing in more videos. And as usual, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Leave a comment here and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified, because I have been coming off late sudden live sessions where I give in small giveaways also, so you will also be updated as and when I come live. So I hope you all enjoy this. Have a blessed full moon, and in the snow moon and in the month of Valentine, may you be blessed with health, wealth, happiness and all the success, and may you and your loved ones always live in harmony, happiness, love and bliss. Take care. God bless.